Okay, let's turn the other camera on, Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing? Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Because I tell you what, I have had a bloody morning. I tell you that much, guys. Hope everyone is doing well, looking after one another. Sorry I'm late. I've had a very, very busy morning with my big girl. Let's just say it involved a hair straightener and a foot. Yeah. It involved a hair straightener and a foot, guys, so yeah, we had to sort that out. Fuck's sake. Yeah, just a little burn. But my eldest daughter, she's a bit of a dramatical. So yeah, we had to I let her stay home. Next thing you know, I let her, watch TV, and somehow she's miraculously healed. So I just had to I had to deal with that. But she's all good now. She's all good now. Hello. Yeah. So basically told her no touching. No touching. I put it away because it was my wife's. And doing the baby, getting the baby ready. And then next thing you hear is a ah! Then we walk in and I'm just like, really? I'm sorry, Dad. I said, take your ass in the bathroom and put it under the tap. And then my second daughter was like, yeah, how come she gets to stay home? Can I burn my leg too? I'm like, you bloody clown, fuck off to school. Can I burn my leg too so I can stay home? That is crazy, bro. But yeah, she's all good now. She's all good. Just a couple cuddles, a bit of a moment underneath the tap, and some nice breakfast, and she's good. You'd think she didn't even burn her damn leg. But yeah, just typical kids things, touching, not listening. Touching and not listening, but yeah, we're good now. I just told her, she's old enough to like chill out, so I just told her, you can watch TV. If you got some homework, we're gonna be doing that after I'm done. And I just checked and she's got no homework, so she can pretty much just chill out for the day. I probably won't do 4 hours though, because I don't want to leave her inside, for that amount of time. I'd rather be in there as well. But yeah, that's how my morning went. Kia ora. Yeah, bro, kia ora. And yeah, dropped the baby off at her grandmother's, and there was a big crash on the road too, so yeah, there's a couple of speed bumps this morning. But we're good now. Baby's good, my big girl's good. My other kid's at school. She's locked in for her basketball and her jiu-jitsu today. So yeah, everything's back to normal. Now we can carry on carving. Good morning, guys. Let me unravel. What's up, Blathers? What's up, YouTube, Kick, and Twitch? Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And on top of that, my daughter needs a new gi because she's built like her father. She's outgrown it. Polynesian things. But how are you guys? Is everyone okay? Thank you very much for tuning in last night. I had a lot of fun playing Forza. I will most likely play some more today. I won't do any of the major stuff, but I'll only do it on stream. Like, you know, if I was to get another car or anything on there. But I'm absolutely loving the game. Loving the game. How are we all doing, guys? Doing good, Chase, Nia. What you been up to today, my bro? Or this morning? Gee, I want to get back on here. I really like the truck scene in Forza, bro. It's so good. I know it's probably like not the most popular, but I like it, I like it. Last night for you. Oh, yo. Jeez, what time was it for you, my bro? And what times do you normally stream, bro? Are you a bit of an evening streamer as well? Doing great, brother. Oh, 5 AM. Hoi. Shot. AM for you, Shiitake, my bro. Yeah, I don't normally like to start stream this late. It's kind of one of my pet peeves is being late, and I hate it, bro. I get this trait from my grandmother. She was exactly the same too. She hated being late and kind of carried over to me. Mountain Standard Time. I get up a little one. Oh yeah. Hope the day has been well with the family. Sure, Game Freak. It's been good, my bro. It has been good. Yeah, I really want to get these. Well, we'll try and get a few of these ridge today. I don't know how many we'll do. But the goal is to try not be too long today because my big girl is home. No school for her today. But I mean, she's okay, but it's more for me. Dad guilt. She said go outside and stream, but I told her it's only going to be for a little bit, and then I'll be back inside. But yeah, she's loving life. Little shiitake. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. So I stay in the southern hemisphere, pretty much. Down here in the bottom of the world, my bro, next to Australia. I work at 6 AM and have a commute, 45-minute commute. True, my bro. Far out. So you mainly just slam the Overwatch, eh? Pretty much. Oh, I would assume you play other games as well. Right. You're from Germany, kia ora, bro. All the way from Germany. Been playing some Overwatch lately and I'm trying to figure out what will get people to stay. Yeah, I feel that, my bro. I feel like I have the same kind of issues when I play games too. But I mean, at the same time, I don't always want to stream games all the time, unless it's like a game I'm really enjoying. Hey, morning social club. What's up, Yagazami? Doing some thanks, Tone. How are you, brother? What's up, Happy Beast? Why are you Swiss? Mauritius. Games themselves are very boring to watch. Never the game that's entertaining. It's the person. Yeah, I mean, if you look at Queso, I mean, if he's just someone that genuinely has fun on games. And I mean, I'm the same too. Like, could you hear me last night on Forza, bro? I was going yelling drive fast, eat ass all the time. And that's gonna be my Forza slogan. Drive fast, eat ass. I would like to put it in the stream title, but I'm not allowed. What's up, Sturdy? How you, my bro? Yeah, so that's my Forza slogan. Drive fast, eat ass, pretty much. Which is why I'm trying to think about... Yeah, bro. Yeah, just, I think some of the most fun you'll find with some of the games out there is definitely indie games, bro. I have a lot of fun with indie games too. That's why I've got a lot on my wish list on Steam. Like, I want to try that Trees Hate Me game. I gotta try that one. Trees Hate Me. Debauchery and Magic, which reminds me I need to do my bloody voice acting contract for that game. So if you don't know what Debauchery and Magic is, guys, it's a game that's coming out done by Third Shift Studio, where you can be a wizard. You can, like, so put it this way, you can rip bongs, smoke cigarettes, pipes, go fishing, go do dungeons. Your means of transportation in the game is a skateboard. So yeah, and it's got a golden toilet. You get any sleep? Yeah, I did. I did get some sleep, my bro. I did. Red Dead 2 if you like. Yeah, bro. I absolutely love that game. I got both endings. Yeah. So I need to look through my contract today so I can send it off, and then they'll send me the voice lines that I need to do. I won't say what character I'm playing, but he will be seen by majority. But then again, I've got to make sure that I'm doing the good voice lines, eh? You watch basketball? A bit now. I've gotten back into watching basketball again. I'll be honest, basketball hasn't felt the same since Kobe passed. Because he was one of my favorites I grew up watching. Him and MJ, pretty much. I won't lie, I'm gonna be that guy. I think LeBron James is doing amazing for himself. I know there's a lot of people that don't like him. For what reason, I do not know. But hey, good for him for doing what he's doing. And the reason why I'm going back into basketball again is because one of my daughters is actually really getting into it. And she loves the Lakers too, because her school team's called the Lakers. So the district we live in is called like the Lakes District, so you can understand why it has that name. But she likes the Connecticut Suns from the WNBL, because one thing I showed her was Charlize Ledger Walker. She's a Maori that plays in the WNBL. And the reason why I showed her to my daughters, because, you know, so the main reason was like, hey baby, you know, our people can make it in the big leagues too. And the look she had in her face, bro. But the audacity that came after that was, can I have a Connecticut Suns shirt? To me, they're in USD. How about just play the game first, eh? Yeah, I was like, that's in USD, my girl. How about you just watch the game and play the game first? So yeah, it's she had her first game on Wednesday. They won. And what's been crazy to me, so this is just me. So the one thing I do as a dad is just like, if they want to try something, I say, go for it and never go. So obviously she played it and she absolutely loved it. And the thing that surprised me at the moment for what she's doing is like the initiative she's taking. So because I wake up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I normally go for a walk or a run, my daughters asked, can I wake up at like 6 o'clock and come with you? I was like, okay, yeah, I guess, if you want to. And she's asked to do like training after school every day, like just 30 minutes or an hour. And this is all from her, all of 5 years old, by the way. All of 5 years old, and I'm like, oh, yeah, if you want, baby. And yeah, so we've just been practicing after school every day, like outside of her normal school practices that she has. And before we go home, she likes to try and at least get 20 baskets in before we go home. And She doesn't want to go home till she gets them all. So yeah, it's been surprising how locked in she's become for someone, you know, of such a young age. I was like, fuck, what was I doing at 5? Playing Crash? Playing Crash Bandicoot. Yeah, so that's pretty much what our afternoons have been. So finish school, go and hit the court for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then come home. And then we'll watch our hour of Naruto, one episode a day. And she's gotten into drawing too, so that's kind of like my side of expertise. So she's been watching like tutorials on YouTube how to draw like Kakashi as well. Like if you go to my Instagram, she drew me the Straw Hat Jolly Roger last night. And this was while I was, you know, having a shower, because I was, you know, winding down for the day too. And then I come into the lounge or the living room and she goes, "Here you go, Dad." And I'm a real like sucker for those kind of things. Like those are quite sentimental to me as a dad. Yo, D-Law! Thank you for the 6 months, my bro. Why is there no notification though? Yo, what up, Philly? Go Birds, baby. Fernando, how you doing, brother? Long time no see, Fernando. How you been? I'm sorry, bro. I have no idea why the notifications are not popping up. Glad to be back. How you been, D-Law? All the way from Porirua, Kia ora, my bro. Kia D-Law. How you been, brother? How you been? So yeah, my afternoons have been quite busy. Yo, Blackjack, with the 36 months. That's 3 years, right? I didn't really like enjoy maths in school, but I believe that's 3 years. Thank you very much, my bro. Been a while, brother. How you been, bro? Yeah, I've been good myself. Been good. Been busy as usual. You know, if I'm not streaming, I'm being a dad as well, as per usual. But I was thinking about one of the bros that used to live down Porirua these last couple days. Still sad he's gone. I'm at work right now. Yo. Oh. Yeah, 3 years. See, I knew it was 3 years. Great retired and living free time. Wait, are you retired now? Damn. I hope retirement has been great, my bro. Nonetheless, nice, relaxing, you know, and you get to do the things you enjoy in life too, brother. What is this design? So this is a potama. So the design we're doing is called potama. So potama is a design that can be used in many different ways, okay? So my reasonings for using potama on this carving is because the bro's wife, who's graduating from university, she's kind of like her journey within uni's kind of like the focal point of this piece as a whole. And potama itself can represent, you know, the journey in life we all take when we start at one level, we ascend to the next one and try and, you know, overcome the obstacles of the next part of our life, then move on and so forth, you know, carrying on pretty much. So that's one of my reasonings as to why I used potama for this carving. Just to acknowledge, you know, all the hard work she's put in. And Potama is also a design that's used on korowai or cloaks. And that's kind of what the body of this carving is a korowai, a cloak. So yeah, I normally, you know, that's how I get my reasons for, you know, certain bits that I might do. Or certain things that I may add. It's kind of like just running it like that. Thank you very much, Amin Chuelo. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. I am sorry, I do not know why the alerts are not going off today. Yeah, I don't know why our alerts are not going off today. It's kind of weird. Oh, the bro's got ads. Yeah, unfortunately as a Twitch partner you can't remove them fully. So I put my ads at the lowest possible thing. The lowest possible setting. I know, you know, a lot of streamers make their money off ads just by people watching them. Which, you know, I should probably be turning them on so I can save for a house faster, but it's all good. I still feel bad because, you know, not everyone can sub to the channel, you know. So I kind of treat it like that in terms of my reasoning. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Anyone played Subnautica? Don't you need to be a billionaire? Oh, pretty much, eh? Shit. Even a 3-bedroom house here in Rotorua is like 700,000 up, pretty much. I have a question. If you want to buy your stuff, how do I buy it? So just email me. So I normally say when my like I have carvings here available, but I'll probably put out an announcement to say when they're available too, my bro. Do not summon Bill Gates. Hey, if Bill Gates ever wanted to donate to the stream, man, for sure, I won't say no. Then he can go. Then you may leave. Yeah, so I do have like 3 carvings on me at the moment. I was contemplating like just giving them away, like doing a giveaway for 2 of them. I think that's what I had an idea too. I had an idea for some for a giveaway that I can do. I'm gonna so this is an idea that I'm gonna do. So clip this. I'm gonna go buy some chopping boards and I'm gonna fully design them, and then we'll just give those away as well. Thoughts? My main language about this piece of wood you're making is just decorative, or is just like some sort of tool? This is a decorative piece, this one. Yeah, I might do up some some cutting boards. I'll get like 5. I'll buy 5 of them, and we'll design them up, and then we'll just give them away. People immediately did the maths and it exact same as the rest of us. Giving 50 cents per... Wait, really? That's the Google man, right? Wasn't he on that island too with a whole mate? Actually, no, don't donate to me. I don't... That's dirty money if he was on that island. Yeah, wasn't he on that island with old mate? Yeah, if he was there, nah, yeah, no thanks. Also, guys, I've been sorting out some gear to do IRL streams too. So we're gonna... Oh my Jeebus! Yo, Blackjack, thank you for the 10 bomb, my bro. Yo, thank you, brother. Thank you very much. I think we just hit sub goal because of that, eh? Now, if you did get one of those, please give our bro a thank you or glaze him harder than a Krispy Kreme donut. Those gifted subs went out to Bit Missing, Pele K, Hey J84, Big Hagaladen, Tone VV32, Billy Rays 3, Penny Pie, and Granddad's Rug, and Smaro Sky. Thank you to those that have already, said thank you for the gifted sub. I appreciate yous. Absolute Giga Chads. I like hitting goals. Thank you, brother. What's the context of this Tim Tam Slam? So basically, you get 2 Tim Tams, you bite the ends off one another, and you get your coffee or your hot chocolate, whatever it may be. Then you drink your hot beverage through the Tim Tams like a straw, and then you eat them. That's a Tim Tam Slam, pretty much. So that's what a Tim Tam Slam is. So yeah, if you don't have Tim Tams in your country, they're more of an OCE biscuit. But yeah, they're pretty nice, I won't lie. They're dangerous at the same time because they're nice. Falling off my skateboard. Oh yeah, no, I understand that. And also, suplexing your cousins in the backyard playing wrestling is another one for me too. I may have done that a few times in the odd F5. They're okay, but things we do as children. It's basically a horrifying amount of sugar. There it is. Okay, I'm just gonna go and check on baby. Yeah, this kid, bro, got her cat's eye glasses on with her feet perched up. I could order some Tim Tams on Amazon. Wait, you can order Tim Tams on Amazon? That's crazy. I didn't think they had any. I was on Amazon last night too, just looking at minis. and the Greninja set coming out for Pokemon. I wasn't gonna get one. Pokemon is so expensive these days. That is true. That is true. Are you familiar with Andy's chocolate mints? Hot chocolate. I'll be honest. I've never been a chocolate mint fan. Never have. Yeah. I apologize to all the chocolate mint enthusiasts. Speaking of Pokemon, Santa Cruz is releasing the Pokemon skate. Oh, they're doing it again. True. Thank you very much, Blackjack, for helping us hit sub goal, and to those that have subbed today as well, and last night too, while we were jamming Forza. I ain't gonna lie, I kinda want to get myself a longboard, eh? Just to go cruising around. Just go cruising around on a longboard, bro. Because obviously, you know, I feel like a longboard can support my build. What's up, old Varus? How you doing? I think you might be shocked by Tim Tams in the US. Have appalling junk food. It's likely to be the healthiest thing you ever ate. Wait, really? I'll be honest, when I was in America, I think the things that I craved the most when I was there was fruit. Yeah, fruit was what I was really wanting while I was there, because, you know, just everywhere I looked was, you know, grease. And I had like 1 or 2, and I was like, yeah, nah, I can't. This doesn't make me feel good. Yeah, bro, I just did not like it, eh? The only other thing I wanted to try was Chick-fil-A, but unfortunately I went there on a Sunday, and they all go to church on a Sunday. So I was like, oh, that's pretty damn unfortunate. Hold on, guys. Yeah, I might ask my wife if I can play Forza again tonight on stream. Because I do feel bad sometimes streaming at night, because, you know, that's kind of like her chill out time. And I'm kind of cutting in on that. So we'll see. We may be a yes and maybe a no. Yeah, I just did not enjoy it, eh? But yeah, that was like, yeah, when I was in America, the thing that I was craving the most, bro, was fruit. And then, you know, when I finally got my hands on some apples, bro, it felt so good, eh? It felt so good. Oh, it's starting to rain. The amount of chemical colouring in the US, bro, you know what has a lot of chemicals in it? Or artificial shit is Cadbury chocolate. It's crazy, bro. Joe Robbie over on Kick. Like it's fake chocolate. Can't remember where that video was. Someone leaked footage. Someone leaked footage of Cadbury making their chocolates, and it's just a whole bunch of bloody nothing. Happy wedding in the morning. Oh, bro, it has been a momentous morning, bro. I started a bit late today, but nonetheless, we are here. We are here, guys. We are here. Was streaming last night till about 1 in the morning. Holy shocking. Holy shocking. But it was fun. It was fun. So yeah, guys, yeah, 34 years old. Done about 3 hours of gaming last night. Next thing you know, holy cow, it's 1:30 in the morning. So yeah, W Forza, absolutely fun game. So yeah, I was up to about 1:30 playing Forza, and I was having a lot of fun, man. Once again, our slogan for Forza 6, drive fast, eat us. See you there. I'm so stoked the Backyard Sports Series was added to Steam. Getting a remake. Oh, what are those games, my bro? Those sound fun. I still haven't tried drifting in the game. Yeah, and I caught the ending part when I worked. Oh, that's right, you started 2 AM, eh? That's right. Sure, that's right. So all we're doing today is it won't be a 4-hour stream today, unfortunately, because my big girl's home. So I told her I was just gonna carve for a wee while, and then come and chill out inside with her. Whoa, what's up, brother? Until the morning alarm goes off. Yeah. Pretty much those days became non-existent for me when I became a father, my bro. About 7 years ago. Almost 7 years ago, actually. Wait. No, yeah, 7 years ago. Holy shit, my daughter's gonna be 8 this year. Far out. It's crazy how time flies, man. Far out. She's gonna be 8 this year. My other daughter's gonna be 6, and baby just turned 1 this year. Far out. That really helps. Oh yeah, I got a kawakawa leaf on her leg. Yeah. So I just went out to the bush, picked some kawakawa leaves and put it on. It's good. She's chilling. She's got her cat's eye glasses on, watching TV with a banana milkshake at 10:21 in the morning. Must be nice. I just walked in and went, what in the hotel resort is going on here? She goes, I'm relaxing. It's like, okay. I'm relaxing. Yeah, so she's good. She's got a kawakawa leaf on her leg. So kawakawa is a plant that grows here in the country, and it's easy to find in the bush because all you look for is a heart-shaped leaf. And it's one of the remedies that my ancestors used back in the day as well. So she's got one of those on her leg. But you only pick the leaves. You only pick the leaves that you know, don't look as nice as the much more fresher ones. You get the real old ones. I still can hear her laughing in the bloody living room. Is it similar to aloe vera? Not really. Doesn't have that gluey stuff in it. It's just a leaf. Well, yeah, that's just some of the knowledge that my grandfather passed on to me. What to look for in the bush. Yeah, what to look for in the bush if, you know, certain things may happen. Hey, what's up, Admiral? Hope you're doing good, brother. Hope you're doing good, my bro. How are you? Oh god, you're carving my sibling trees. Sibling trees? Do you know what this timber is? Is ExileCon big in? Yeah, bro, a lot of people go to ExileCon. I went, it was pretty cool. Got to see Kriparian again. Without my traditional garments of my ancestors on. So a little side note, guys. Kriparian was the first big streamer I ever met. I knew him for, you know, like Diablo and all those other things, all the other games. And actually, let me just push the camera up, eh? And I'll put this on YouTube as well. So, the first big stream I ever met was Kriparian. Now, if you don't know who he is, he plays Path of Exile, Diablo as well, and Hearthstone, and many other games. So it all goes back to the time of my old job. I used to work at Tamaki Maori village doing cultural shows. And one day we had a show, because I knew he was in the country at the time, and as we were about to start our show, I was like, "Fuck, imagine if Crip's here," and then we walk out, and Kriparian's in the crowd. I'm like, "Oh, he's here!" So yeah, I was fanboying a little bit there, and then had a photo with him, met his wife, and then eventually, fast forward another year, ExileCon came along, and I saw him again. And he also raided me on Twitch as well. So that was pretty buzzy to meet Kriparian, I must say. From skateboarding the other day. Oh, geez, not the tailbone, my bro. A lot of people are going there, so I'm thinking, oh, true. Yeah, so it's in Auckland, my bro. It's in Auckland. Yeah. I want to get back into playing some more Poe too, but it's just trying to find the time, which is hard for myself. That's the hard part, guys. Trying to find the time to do that. So to those wondering what I'm doing, all we're doing right now is just cleaning, okay? We're just trying to clean all the walls, clean all of these, before we start cutting into it and ridging like the other side. What's the time? Okay. New league for Poe 2 is on the 29th. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably need some help if I do JMA, like what to go. I did enjoy Mercenary. Mercenary is fun. I mean, you're the Karawhi warrior again, you know. How could you not? But yeah, the two Poe streamers I watched, the few Poe streamers I watched the most is the bro Quinn. I mean, I gotta watch him, eh? Support your local. The bro Quinn, Zizaran, and yeah, Crip. I'm a third generation carpenter as well, but mainly barrels and... Oh, wait, so do you make those like whiskey barrels, bro? Wow, that's pretty mean, eh? So what's the process? You know, when you, do you guys seal the inside of the barrel with anything? Because I've always wondered, you know, how they put the beer in, how it doesn't leak out. Oh, true. Bro, that's cool. That's cool. Every time I see a barrel, bro, I think of Gregis from League of Legends, because he fights with a barrel of alcohol and just throwing it. I'll drink you under the table, scrub. Basically the old style, bro, that's cool, because you burn them too, eh? I'm kind of just speculating here, because I saw it on a Jim Bean ad. Correct me if I'm all shit. There we go. You fill it with some water and ash to fill. True. Okay. You learn something new every day, Chad. That's pretty interesting. Okay, okay. Good morning from Perth. Hey, good morning, my brother. How are you? Good morning, my brother. Wait, can I send you a picture somewhere? Yeah, exclamation mark Discord, my bro. One thing I'm trying to do as well, Chet, every Friday, so that Fridays are tomorrow for me, so the rest of the world it might be a Thursday. I kind of want to try and start like some, just having a yarn in the chat room. What everyone's been up to, or just like even just chilling out. I want to start utilizing the Discord like that. Wait, there's a Discord? Yeah, there's been a Discord for ages. Hey, Frugo, what's up, my bro? Bro, you were slamming the views yesterday. Love to see you, my bro. Also, chat, if you can, go through and follow Made by Frugo, please. Now, this man right here works with the bronze, so I don't know if it's the correct term, but he's a bronze caster. Please go through and give him a follow, and go to his YouTube channel as well. They made the Dark Portal from World of Warcraft for Esfan. You all know who Esfan is because I'm a stunt double. Genuinely one of my favorite channels to watch when he's crafting as well and playing well. And a fellow dwarf as well from Stone Core, even though I'm Stone Core, even though I'm in Rock Core right now. Yeah, genuinely one of my favorite streamers right now, and glad to have crossed paths with you, my bro. So you go through and check out his work, Fano, because genuinely, man, it's some of the most immaculate bronze work I've ever seen in my life. And I'm gassing him up because it's true. So you go through and give him a follow as well. And if you're wondering, Brox, why are you wearing a jacket with a rip in it? I've had this jacket since 1995, and it only just ripped like 2 years ago. And I lost the pocket to get it hemmed back on. Bro, I'll just send you one, bro, to have. And you can cast it up. Be a cool little collab. I just gotta wait for Uncle Donnie Trump to sort the tariffs out. That's why I can't send anything to America right now. Done it. Is that where you are from? This picture is from Bulgaria. Wait, me or you? I'm from Aotearoa. or New Zealand by its other name. So I live on the giant petrified stingray. Is it tariff? Nah, I get double tariffed when I send to America. Oh, and the Discord channel. Okay, sorry. Yeah, go through and give Frugo a follow. Genuinely. I say this hand over heart. Go and give the bro a follow. Who ended up winning the Whakairo tournament, bro? Okay, let me get my phone so I can check this photo. Okay, let me just go in the Discord real quick. Where did you post it, my bro? I carved my name and signed it and shipped it out yesterday to him. Wait, what happened? What have I missed? Where am I from? Yeah, Aotearoa, New Zealand. I just stay on the giant petrified stingray that was fished up by my great ancestor Maori. Oh, where are you? Oh, okay. Okay, I need to go closer to the Wi-Fi because it's Vitochi wonderful. Oh, nice. Hold on. Bro, our Wi-Fi is so ass, bro. Hold up. Oh, this is cool, bro. And you can tell too with everyone within this photo. We have this saying called ringaropa in our language. Ringaropa means, you know, someone that's a hard worker that works with their hands. So, you know, when you shake a ex-person's hand and they have rough hands, you know they're a hard worker and they're always working. That's the vibe I get from everyone within this photo, my bro. Ringaropa. Sure, that's tough, bro. That's tough. What class did Vitochi play? Yeah, I've been kind of taking my time with leveling again, just cause Forza's out. I think I'm like level 12 at the moment. But I've been that guy, Frugo. I've been leveling a pally and a warrior at the same time. He was a paladin, very geared. Oh, damn. Yeah, I normally play warrior in any variation of WoW, so I kind of just went pally for a change up. And then I made one warrior and I realized how fun they are. Started Forza last night because of you. How long have you been awake for, good sir? If you want to play Poe, we have a community for that. That's everyone is welcome. Oh yeah, bro. I'll probably let you know, or everyone will know when I start, my bro. Cause there's a new update coming out, eh? Cause they revamped some of the weapons. Or are those new? Hey Brox, when you get the chance to update the Discord, yes, I better do that. Thank you very much for reminding me. I'm a bit of a goldfish when it comes to that stuff. I keep forgetting. Good sir. Yeah, so I'm not sure if we'll get into cutting any of these today, because as you know, I don't want to be live too long today with my big girl inside. Even though she probably doesn't even give a damn that I'm outside. But it's more the dad guilt. Leaving her in there by herself. That shiv you are using, how do you keep them sharp? I use a sharpening stone. And usually the final touches I'll do is use sandpaper. A 1200 grit sandpaper. I don't have a sharpening wheel. The reasonings why I don't have one is because I don't live in a great neighborhood. It's not a real great neighborhood to set something up outside and then leave outside kind of thing. One of the main reasons why I'm saving. Me and my wife are. I had hard time. Oh, with the V chisels? Yeah, so in our culture we call our 12s and our 12s highs. So high H-A-E means to cut. So to cut or cutting. Like it's basically a movement that's been done. That's kind of how you'd explain it. There we go, got that cleaned out. We couldn't get right in here with the router because we might hit the face a bit and break the design. And we do not want to do that because we don't need to touch the face anymore because it's done. I'll give you the close-up of the face too. Crossed 100k marker points, only 900k to go. Cheer, man, bro. Yeah, I think when we do long streams, we'll put predictions on as well, so people can fast-track points as well. I might even start doing some raffles to save up a bit too, some carving raffles. Hey Brox, I'm just wishing you a bloody good day, bro. Keep up the beautiful work in craft. Hey, right back at you, brother Widge. You have a fucking even better day. You have an even better day, my brother. Birds are dumb. Kia ora. How are you doing? Put rubber or something soft on the wooden hammer, it is more precise. Yeah, oh, I just prefer to, because this is kind of the mallets our ancestors used too. So kind of just keeping it the same vibe as well. Ooh, okay. Good, cuz how are you? I'm doing pretty solid too, my bro. Yeah, we won't be carving too long today. My daughter's home and Yeah. Like, she's all good. She doesn't mind sitting inside. She's chilling out right now watching TV. But I kind of don't want to just leave her in there by herself. So we'll most likely just clean this up today. And then we'll hit it hard tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Friday. And she's bloody singing. Yeah, so today's just gonna be like a chill cleanup day. Chill cleanup day for this. So we can hit it tomorrow. Right. At least we got all the like annoying repetitive stuff done. Like we're getting all this done, which is good. Like either way, we're making progress today, which is what we always try and strive for. So just a lot of repetitive stuff today, which is what we're trying to get clean today, whānau. Go. How are we doing, guys? What's the time? You're all good, my bro. Do your thing. The manhwa. Sitting in traffic. Just make sure you traffic more than watch, please. Just gotta clean up this bottom one. here. Woo! Where's this timber going? Damn! It's going this way. Jailbait, did you see your... Good to see your... How did you find it? Oh, good bro, good. Yeah, I was up pretty late last night, not the one. Pretty much just went exploring and you done a couple races here and there. How much cars did we find last night, Chad? We found the Porsche. We found the NSX and the Charger. So we found 3 cars last night and some market ones too. But yeah, we haven't really been trying to progress in the story too much. I'm probably gonna jam it again tonight, to be honest. Yeah, I think we only got up to the first band that you get the yellow one. I think you get the yellow band first. Can't remember. Which reminds me, I need to upload that VOD for everyone to see. Hey, not the one being up till early hours of the morning. Not the one knee. Not the one knee. Yeah, I jumped into your stream a little bit last night too. I think you just got the E30, I think. Yeah, the only ones I haven't tried is the drifting and the Uber one. Bro, it's actually been a breath of fresh air. Jamming Forza again. You know, compared to the other games that we probably all play. How are 10 people watching this one? Insane. Ah, it's all good, Ray. Ah, it's all good, man. We pretty much stream across 4 different platforms for most of the time. TikTok being the majority of the time. They go pretty crazy on TikTok, my bro. Morning, Terry. Dream car E30 with an RB swap. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, E30s are pretty gangster. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, they're pretty mean. Yeah, that's one thing I'm planning on doing a bit more this year too. Like terms of IRL is car meetups. I can imagine you have the Meke ones up there, bro. I'm surprised you haven't gone to any yet. Or have you? Yeah, the last car thing I went to was that LZ World Tour. Yeah, you also have the Mecha car meetups there. 5 games of all time. Besides WoW. Shit. Okay. Oh, one that's playing right now. Star Fox. Star Fox Ocarina of Time. Need for Speed Underground 1 and 2. Fuck, that's 2 spots already. Oh, I'll just say Need for Speed Underground 2 for now. What else? Of all time, so that's across the board. Damn, that's actually a hard one. That's actually a hard one. Now I'm thinking. There was this one game I played a lot of back in the day. Sonic Heroes. Sonic Heroes was another one. And last one for the 5th spot. Probably Halo, bro. Yeah, Halo's pretty much been a Monday game for me as well. Big Chris, thank you for the 48 months, my bro. Gone to a few, bro. I was nervous as to load up the stream. They're on most weekends. Oh, true, bro. You should show that, my bro. Because obviously, you know, as someone that, you know, loves car culture, be good to show. And if they say don't record my car, just say 1 ounce in front of Clinton or something. 1 ounce in front of the BP. Yeah, bro. I mean, you're in the prime spot, bro. Up in Tamaki. So it's a bit of a... why not, eh? Why not? Yeah, wasn't there a COVID clip that went viral a while ago? Noah, yeah, bro, like 6 years ago, bro. 6 years ago. You may have just convinced me. Yeah, bro, go and do it. Or put it this way. Here, don't be a pussy and go and do it. Hopefully that helps. I feel like in this day and age, bro, as streamers, bro, we gotta branch out, eh? Like, I know we all have our own niches, but yeah, I've been branching out a bit too, and you know, you see the benefits of it too. So even maybe like even having a dedicated day to something different. But you know, don't, you know, vary off showing your audience what you still love to do. Like for example, I'm gonna be doing some NFL content soon. Hey, much love, Social Club. Yeah, see, go and do it there. Stop being a bitch. Yeah, bro, by all means, man, just go out there, bro. You won't know until you actually try it, eh? And then the next thing you can do, like for the future, because I would assume you'd probably go to PAX again, you know, Melbourne, an even bigger place for car culture. You're going to have a go at the new Subnautica. If yous want me to, I will. Just keep in mind, I'm not scared of the deep, so if, you know, it makes you, the backside touch fabric a little bit, that's your fault. But if I play Subnautica, I'd want to go in the water straight away and look for the biggest thing there is. But yeah, if people want me to play Subnautica, just let me know and I'll get it. Next year for sure, my bro. Got my baby boy on the. Oh, che! Congratulations, my bro. That is fair. That is fair. True, eh? Fella got busy on New Year's, eh? This fella. You want to know why? Because I'm a New Year's baby as well. September. This fella. Alright. Someone had a good New Year's. Alright. Let's stand this up so we can look at it. How you been, Ed? You all good, brother? Still one day at a time? Okay. Third kid. Welcome to the 3-kid club, good sir. Welcome to the 3-kid club. Okay, YouTube, we may finish up the YouTube stream. We are finishing up a tad bit early, so if you want to jump over to Kick or Twitch, feel free to. But yeah, if you haven't seen any of the latest shorts, feel free to go check them out. Other than that, YouTube, stay sexy, stay beautiful, and make sure you eat nice food, okay? Alright, have a good one. Have a good one, have a good one, have a good one.